Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about how you can find out if you have replaced the battery on your iPhone at any cell phone stores and if they have used the original parts or no. If you have replaced the battery and you want to know if the parts that the repair store have used is the original or no, you can find out in the settings, okay? So there are different parts available, and there's so much scam going on in the tech industry where the stores can claim that this is the original parts, but then later on customers are finding out that that was not the original parts, right? So I'll show you how you can find out if the parts, the screen or the batteries that they have used are the Apple original or no. So for example, I'll show you this. So the batteries, this is the Apple original battery and it comes in these boxes. Of course, you're not going to see this because the repair stores usually don't show you this. And this is actually the part number. This is the original parts. As you can see here, it says original part, right? So this is a replacement battery for iPhone 15 Pro genuine OEM. If they have used this part, it will tell you in the settings. So I'll show you. So how you can find out, you can actually go into the settings and then you go to general, then you go about, and then you look for parts and service history there. If you click there, so I replaced my battery on my phone, right? And I have a 14 Pro. And the battery was going bad on it, so I went ahead and fixed it. But I did use the Apple original battery, and you can find out, as you can see right here, genuine battery. If you click there, it also tells you that when did it has been changed, right? It actually tells you date as well. Repair record, like battery is genuine and has been repaired on December 30, 2024. So that's how you actually find out. Usually if you have any aftermarket battery, it don't show you this information there, and it don't even show you the health of the battery in most cases. So yeah, this is how you actually find out if the parts that the store used is original or no. And if they charge you for the original and they put in and they did not put the original part, you can always go back to the store and ask the receipt and then ask them to show the proof that they have used the original parts. So yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video and show you guys that be very careful of taking your phone anywhere, and if they have used the original parts, make sure that they did. I'll catch you in the next video. Bye for now.